Hello, I'm Dwight Medical Director of the National Institute of Robotic Surgery and the Institute for Gynecologic Care at Mercy. I want to encourage you to make your reservation for the 15th Annual Minimally Invasive Gynecologic Robotic Surgery Conference, October 9th, 10th, and 11th. This year's course will once again be held at the fabulous Four Seasons Hotel in Baltimore's popular Harbor East neighborhood. Since its inception, our symposium has been regarded as one of the preeminent courses on gynecologic robotic surgery. Distinguished faculty, collaborative discussions, and even live surgical cases have made this course the preferred choice of surgeons across the country and around the world. Now in its 15th year, we continue to share our passion and the enthusiasm for the advancement of robotic surgery to ensure participants gain knowledge, clinical insights, and best-in-practice standards. IMS Way, the guided principles of advanced gynecologic and gynecologic oncology robotic surgery, October 9th, 10th, and 11th, the Four Seasons, Baltimore. Please register today so we can reserve your space. I look forward to seeing you in Baltimore this fall. Thank you.